very ones. Tourist itineraries in the Margarita Islands. Travel to Margarita Islands, we will show youth awards at the adventures for 3 days with direct flight from Barranquilla, Santa Marta. The other starts tomorrow. Lodgings in Hotel Lines, Sunsol Ecolans y Beach Resorts, Sunsol Caribbean Islands Hotel, Hesperia Isla Margarita. Day 1. They will arise in Venezuela on October and falls in the mornings, falls and will stay in the Hesperia and Sunsol Hotel. Later days with hearts lunch in the restaurants. Then days we go to the beach and the islands, arriving at night, waiting for dance, greets, jacuzzis. Days going to the romantic dinners and enjoys the discos. Day 2. You will start very early having breakfast at the hotel. Then we will travel to the cities in the states of the Asunción to visit those attractions such as the Castillo of the Santa Rosa, New Cadiz, Museums, and one of the oldest cathedrals in Venezuela. Then days will have lunch in the ones of the best restaurants where Joe's kinds Jones leads music, sings, and dance. Leads a truth of clothes aiding to the trees loans. Maria Guevara voice. There we will go eating, watching, and read flora and fauna. Then they will go beach watch and sunset to the hotel last in the spa having a cocada and we was in the nights where they will dance at parties prepared in the hotel. Day 3. We will start the mornings with a delicious breakfast. Then we will sleep for across, crossing the different beaches. We will watch and practice water sports. In the afternoons, we will sleep to speeds where there's a campfire and starts there's gastronomy. We will depart at sunset to the hotel. At 9 o'clock, they will watch cinema on the beach and relaxations. In the mornings, they will depart to the airports towards their destination. Host just like. Thank you. Bye bye.